Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Our family is staying at Wilderness Lodge and we're going to show you all the fun things to do here. All right, so let's go do a little tour of this main lobby. It's really one of Disney's best resorts. Okay, so here, the main lobby. Just gonna kind of walk you guys around. This is where the check-in desks are. I mean, it is absolutely gigantic in here. Holy cow. There are multiple restaurants. Right here in the lobby, they have this amazing gift shop. This is the fountain that is supposed to lead into the geyser outside. But it was really fun, and they have all these seating areas right here. And here is the fun little bridge. So here's where the geyser starts and goes outside to the pool area. All right, so you have these different dining spots. You have a dining restaurant over here. That one's gonna be a bit slower paced, sit down. This is the restaurant where they do the Snow White themed dining. We have a full video on that where we have gone and done that, so I'm gonna leave a link to that right here. It's really fun. So I'm gonna walk you guys down to Roaring Fork, which is like the quick service, and that's kind of been our go-to spot on this trip. You can get breakfast, lunch, dinner. My girls always like to do the Mickey waffles for breakfast. I like the sandwich options for lunch. And they also have, you know, the extras, desserts, things like that. It's a pretty good dining spot. All right, so we've also been doing the mobile order, the quickest way to get that ordered. Here's where you can pick up your food. Again, extras, treats, some really fun desserts, and then really quick service items as well that you can grab. Cups of fruit, Uncrustables, drinks. And then on the other side, here are the tables and chairs. Some room to eat. Okay, we're gonna head out now to the pool area. Some more tables, chairs. Here's the pathway right here that will lead to the ferry boat to take you to Magic Kingdom. Really close by, really great to have access to that here. Here is the main guest pool. And again, that geyser from the lobby is supposed to be what is coming into this pool. Really fun, really well themed. Really, really big pool. You also have the hot tub area. There's 2 hot tubs. And then this kid splash pad. It's really fun. It's got the giant bucket on top, little slides right there. All right, so on the hour, each hour, the geyser over here, it's not going right now, but this will have a giant geyser coming out, kind of fun, and you can watch it from the pool and also see it from where you're waiting to get on the ferry. So again, just kind of an overview, the hot tub, toddler area, giant pool right here. They also have this water slide. We have had a lot of fun going down that as a family. So just a really fun resort pool to hang out in, always a nice touch. Here's the walkway up to go to the slide. And that's just kind of a tour of this area. so this is entering into the 1-bedroom DVC. Right to our left, we have a closet, a lot of space. Having that extra storage space is always really nice. We stayed here last night, so you're gonna see some of our groceries, luggage out, things like that. So entering in, I'm gonna start off in the kitchen area. So you have this nice big kitchen, which is so helpful when you're staying here with your family. Nice big fridge, freezer. Yes, we have some ice cream and Mickey treats in there. Stove and oven. So, I mean, you could legit cook in here. Microwave. And then stocked as well. So you have cups, plates. I mean, a lot of extra things. Pots, pans. Truly, yeah, a big kitchen. Dishwasher. Big sink and storage space so you can order groceries. There's the toaster. So yeah, very spacious, so nice when you're here with a family. Look, there's even space over here. To the right of the kitchen is the dining table. So nice again, because when you're trying to eat a meal in a hotel room, it can get a little bit tricky. So this space, is so nice to have, and to actually be able to have a table to set your food on. Even the artwork, everything in here, it's just really nice. Okay, continuing into the living room space. So next to the kitchen, this area is very big and open, which is nice because this is the couch that, when you pull this down, becomes a bed. This area is super big and spacious. My daughter built a fort over here, so that's what's going on here. So great for kids. You have the giant TV out here. We'll come to this side. More storage, more space. Also bar stools to go here, one of which is being used for the sport. Also a walkout patio for this ground level one. So really nice, really spacious. I'm gonna pull this down and show you guys the bed now. There we go. Look how cute this is. Mickey and Pluto on a little camp out. So cute. All right, and then walking into the bedroom area. Again, so spacious. Look at this giant king-size bed, like at Disney. Wow, that is kind of amazing. So even on this side, just so much room. You have this nightstand. So yes, this nice big king-size bed. You have this bench here with a full-length mirror, TV, lots and lots of drawers and space for your things, as well as even under the bed, but there's so much storage you could easily slide a suitcase under there. So lots of space. The theming is so great. Oh, by the way, look how cute. This was set up on the bed yesterday. Chair in here, nice big lamp. So much space on both sides of the bed, and then this has its own separate patio as well. So yeah, really, really nice, big area, great theming. Okay, so from the bedroom area, you can walk over here into the sink and bath area. Yes, look at this giant bathtub with this really cute painting of Mickey and Minnie out in the wilderness. So cute, and it's a really, really nice bath. And then if you scan over to this side, this sink is a very large area, lots of places to store your things once again. Towels, they have a hairdryer here, so really nice big area next to the bathtub. They also have this little mirror on the wall, and then a bonus walk-in closet, which I was surprised by. In here we have the ironing board, iron. You can hang your clothes in here. I mean, this is a pretty big walk-in area. So again, with the space, just so much room. Okay, so coming through this connected door, we have the shower, another sink, and the toilet. This is a nice big shower with 2 different shower heads. It's just really big. We also have the sea salt body wash and hair collection in there. So yeah, really nice shower, mirror, and sink. This one's a little bit smaller. So this is the washer and dryer. So just connected washer on the bottom, dryer on the top. It's just really helpful if you're here for a while, and to have that, just like the kitchen, being able to have access to that is great. Okay, so this is Boulder Ridge, the building that is DVC, and it is right next to the main lobby. This building is going to be quite a bit more cozy, a little more calm in here, not quite as bustling as the main lobby, but it's actually been so great this trip. It has sort of this cabin-y lodge vibe, right? I mean, look at this. This is amazing. One of my favorite things is coming in here and seeing this fireplace going, especially because we're here right now in January. It's a little bit colder, so this has actually been a pretty busy spot. So cozy. I mean, look at all these different spots to hang out in. The theming is done so well. All the details. This is really one of our favorite Disney resorts. Here's another fireplace room. Just so many great spots to hang out if it is a little bit colder, or if you just do want some downtime from all the busy hustle and bustle at the parks. Plenty of places to eat, hang out. So overall, just a really great DVC building. Okay, heading out of this building, there's this walkway, and this is going to connect us to the main lobby. It's a pretty short walk. This is covered at night. These lanterns are going. Again, the theming here, incredible, and it's built into all the details, even the walkways. Just a short walk from either the lobby or the DVC building. Down here is where the bus transportation is. So really close by, really easy to get to, and that will take you straight to any Disney park you want to get to. There's also the ferry boats here, and that will take you straight to the Magic Kingdom. Here is the front of the resort. Thanks for joining us at Disney's Wilderness Lodge. We'll see you guys on another video very soon. Bye guys.